Your kitchen can be spotless without breaking your back. Here's how. Your kitchen is the heart of your home, but right now, it might be holding you back from enjoying it. The good news, you don't need fancy products or hours of hard work to transform it completely. What if I shared with you a simple method that makes any kitchen look brand new in just 1 hour? Stay with me because I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this, step by step. Before we get started, I want to ask you something. Do you struggle with cleaning your kitchen because it feels overwhelming? You're not alone. That's why I created Seniors Cleaning Hacks. We focus on making cleaning easier, smarter, and less tiring. So if you find this helpful, please hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and you'll never miss a cleaning hack that could save you time and energy. Go ahead, click subscribe right now. Also, if you've ever found a cleaning tip that actually worked for you, give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help me create more videos just like this one. And don't forget to comment below. Tell me which step helps you the most. When you share this video with a friend or family member, you're giving them a gift of a cleaner home. That's pretty powerful. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Understand what you're doing. Before you start cleaning, you need to know the difference between regular tidying and a deeper clean. Regular tidying is what you do after dinner, quick and simple. What we're doing today is in the middle. It's not a full-blown refresh where you take apart every appliance and soak the oven racks for hours. Instead, we're doing a focus clean that makes your kitchen look fresh and spotless without taking all day. Think of it this way. A regular clean gets rid of the obvious mess. A deeper clean removes the dust you didn't know was there, the grime that builds up over time, and the spots that make everything feel dingy. But we're not going crazy. We're being smart about our time and energy. This type of clean works best if you do it weekly or every 2 weeks. It doesn't take long, but it keeps your kitchen feeling fresh. Depending on how much you cook and eat in your kitchen, you might go weekly. If you're quieter at home, every 2 weeks is fine. So if you're ready to transform your kitchen without wearing yourself out, keep watching. And remember, don't forget to subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more tips like this. Step 2. Get your supplies ready. Here's something most people don't think about. Having the right tools changes everything. You don't need expensive products, you need smart ones. White vinegar is one of your best friends. It cleans almost everything, but here's the important part. Don't use vinegar on granite counters or other natural stone. The acid can hurt them. That's a big one to remember. You'll want a razor blade scraper for stuck-on food on your glass cooktop. Keep basic supplies handy like microfiber cloths, all-purpose cleaner, dish soap, and disinfecting wipes. Some people love using baking soda mixed with a little water to scrub tough spots. Lemon juice naturally removes stains and smells fresh. Having everything in one place before you start means you don't waste time running around looking for things. I call this the setup step, and it's worth doing right.
Step 3. Clear your counters completely. This is where most people mess up. They try to clean around the clutter. That doesn't work. You need clear space to work with. Start in one corner of your kitchen. Pick up everything that doesn't belong on your counter. Coffee mugs, mail, phone chargers, keys, yesterday's newspaper, everything goes. Here's a trick that saves time and keeps you focused. Get a laundry basket or a large box. Put all the items in there as you go. Don't stop to put each thing away. That takes forever and distracts you. Just keep moving. Once your counters are empty, you'll see what you're actually working with. You'll have space to clean. And here's the truth. When your counters are clear, your whole kitchen instantly looks better. That's your instant win right there. After you finish the rest of the cleaning, you can go back and organize everything properly. But right now, clear is your goal. Step 4. Handle all your dishes. This might seem obvious, but this step is crucial. You can't clean effectively if you have dirty dishes everywhere. If your dishwasher is full of dirty dishes, start by emptying it and running it. If you have dishes in the sink or on the counter, wash them now. Get any burnt pans soaking. Wash your water bottles, coffee cups, and anything else hanging around. Once you're done, your sink is empty, your dishwasher is running, your counters have no dishes. Now you have places to put things, and you can move forward without hitting roadblocks. This step feels like basic work, but it's the foundation for everything else. Step 5. Start from the top and work down. This is a professional cleaning trick. Always work from top to bottom. Here's why. When you dust something up high, the dust falls down. If you've already cleaned the bottom, you'd have to clean it again. Working top to bottom means you only do the work once. Start by dusting the tops of your cabinets. Dust above your light fixtures. Get the top of your refrigerator. These spots collect dust and grime that you don't see every day, but when they're clean, it makes a huge difference. Use a microfiber cloth or an old pillowcase. You'd be surprised how much dust you'll find up there. Once you've done the high spots, you're ready to move down. This principle guides the rest of your cleaning. Always go high to low.
Step 6. Clean your small appliances. Your microwave, toaster, coffee maker, and other small appliances need attention. You don't need to spend too long on each one. Just make them look clean and work well. For your microwave, fill a small bowl with water and a bit of white vinegar. Microwave it for a few minutes until it steams. The steam loosens the stuck-on food inside. Wipe it down with a cloth. It'll be shiny and clean. For your coffee maker, run a cycle of white vinegar and water through it. This removes mineral buildup and keeps it working well. Your toaster needs the crumbs dumped out from the bottom. Wipe the outside with a damp cloth. For your stand mixer or other larger countertop appliances, just dust them off and wipe them down. When you wipe the outside of stainless steel appliances, use a microfiber cloth with a little all-purpose cleaner. Never use vinegar on stainless steel. It strips the shine and makes it look dull. Once all your small appliances are clean and shiny, your counters start looking professional. Step 7. Clean everything else on your counters. Now that your appliances are clean, it's time to look at anything else that lives on your counters. You might have a tray of cooking oils, a rack holding cooking utensils, or a container of kitchen tools. Dust these items. Wipe them. Make sure they're clean. If they're dirty or sticky, wash them in your sink. While you're at it, look at whether you really need all of these things on your counter. Could some items move to a cabinet or drawer instead? Fewer things on your counter means an easier clean next time. Wipe down your dish rack if you have one. If your drying mat is washable, toss it in your washer. Fresh and clean makes everything feel better. Step 8. Tackle your stove and oven. Don't go crazy here. You're not deep cleaning the inside of your oven. That's a different project. You're making the outside look good. For a gas stove, remove the grills. If they're really dirty, soak them in hot soapy water. Then wipe the surface underneath with all-purpose cleaner. For an electric stove with coil burners, make sure the coils are cool. You can carefully wipe the surface under them with all-purpose cleaner. If you have a glass cooktop, wipe it with warm soapy water. If they're stuck on food, use your razor blade scraper at a flat angle. It works like magic. Be gentle so you don't scratch it. Now clean the front of your oven. Use all-purpose cleaner, white vinegar and water, or diluted dish soap. Wipe it down thoroughly. Don't forget the knobs. They get sticky and gross. Clean those too. A clean stove is one of those things that makes your whole kitchen look better. Step 9. Wipe down all your counters. This is the big reveal moment. Your counters are clear, your dishes are done, your appliances are clean. Now you get to make them shine. Work in sections. Start in one area. Take everything off that section, including the things that belong there. Wipe the surface with appropriate cleaner for your counter type. Marble needs different care than laminate. Granite needs different care than wood. Use your microfiber cloth to clean. Then use a dry cloth to buff it. You want it to gleam. If there are crumbs stuck between your counter and your stove, use a credit card or a flat scraper to dislodge them. These little spaces collect a lot of stuff. Go section by section around your kitchen. By the time you're done, your counters will look brand new.
Step 10. Deep clean your sink. Your sink gets a lot of use, and it shows. But deep cleaning your sink is easier than you think. First, rinse it out with hot water. Then, use a scrubbing cleanser. These specialty products are made for this job. They work better than regular soap. Get into the corners. Use a detail brush for the spots that are hard to reach. Scrub your faucet. Clean any sponge holders or soap dishes. Rinse everything really well. Make sure you get all the scrubbing powder off. Now here's the finishing touch. Fill your sink with hot water. Add a bit of bleach. Let it sit there for about 10 minutes. This sanitizes your sink and kills any bacteria. Then drain it. If you have a garbage disposal and want it to smell fresh, drop in some lemon peels or citrus fruit and run the disposal with water running. It smells wonderful and helps clean your pipes. A sparkling clean sink is one of the best parts of a clean kitchen. Step 11. Check your refrigerator. You don't need to do a complete overhaul of your fridge right now, but do a quick check. Look at your shelves. Pull out anything that's expired. Throw it away. Wipe up any spills. If something leaked, clean it properly. Put everything back in its right place. Take a minute to organize as you go. If things are in their right spots, your fridge looks better and you can find things easier. This step takes just a few minutes, but makes a big difference. Step 12. Clean the outside of big appliances. Your refrigerator, your dishwasher, and any other large appliances need attention on the outside. Wipe down the front and sides of your fridge. If it's stainless steel, use stainless steel polish. If it's not, use an all-purpose cleaner. Do the same for your dishwasher. These appliances show fingerprints and dust easily. A quick wipe makes them look cared for. This step is quick, but shows a lot. Step 13. Deal with your trash and recycling. Your garbage can probably needs attention. Don't do a full deep clean of it right now, but make it as clean as you can. Take out the trash if it's full. Sometimes trash sits there too long and gets sticky. Vacuum out any crumbs or debris from the bottom of the can. Just a regular vacuum works fine. Wipe the inside and outside with a disinfecting wipe. Do the same thing with your recycling bin and your compost bin if you have one. These containers get overlooked, but they collect stuff. A clean trash area makes your whole kitchen feel cleaner.
Step 14. Finish with your floors. This is the last major step, and it makes everything look finished. Sweep with a broom. Get all the crumbs and debris. Pay special attention to under your cabinets and those toe kick spaces at the bottom. Food falls there and collects. Sweep under your fridge and under your stove, too. These spots hide a lot. After sweeping, use a vacuum. This picks up the fine dust that sweeping misses. Then, mop. Use warm water and a little floor cleaner. You want your floor clean and shiny, but not so wet that it's slippery. A clean floor ties everything together. Step 15. Add your finishing touches. Now that everything is clean, add the small things that make it special. Replace your sponges and dish towels with fresh ones. Use a clean dishcloth. Hang a new towel. Light a candle if you like. Fresh scents make the space feel cared for. Put some fresh flowers on the counter or table if you can. They don't have to be expensive. Even simple flowers make a space feel alive. Step back and look at what you've done. You've transformed your kitchen. It's clean, organized, and welcoming. What to do next time for even deeper cleaning? If you want to go further, save these bigger tasks for another day. You could clean the inside of your oven properly. You could wipe down every cabinet door. You could organize and clean inside your cabinets. You could pull out your appliances and clean behind and underneath them. But these are separate projects. Don't mix them with today's cleaning. The bigger picture. Here's something important to remember. Decluttering makes a huge difference. Cleaning is easier when you have fewer things. That's true on your counters. That's true inside your cabinets. That's true in your pantry. When things have a place and everything is organized, you can keep your kitchen clean longer. You'll want to maintain it because it feels good. Your action steps. You now know exactly what to do. You have a plan. You have the steps in order. You know what tools you need. So here's what I want you to do. Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks right now. You'll get new cleaning tips every week. Our community is growing because people like you share these videos. When you share this with a friend, you're helping them get a cleaner kitchen too. Leave a comment below and tell me which step you're most excited to try. Do you struggle most with your sink, your stove, your counters? I want to know. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Every like helps more people find these cleaning hacks. Thank you for watching Seniors Cleaning Hacks. I'm Marcus, and I'm here to make cleaning easier for you. You've got this. Go make your kitchen spotless.